I'm out here with the 1990 Kawasaki 750 Ninja that I bought last week. Gas tank was absolutely filled with rust. Cleaned that out the best I could. There's the sending unit. Just hooked up a brand new battery to it and a remote fuel feed with a lawnmower gas tank. A fuel filter, big one. And test fired it. And it's dumping coolant out and oil and smoking like a freight train. Only has 9,500 original miles, pretty much why I bought it. Did a complete carb clean on it. They need to be synchronized. It has a Muzzy 4-into-1. Had some acorns in it. Changed the oil. It's not smoking as bad as it was. Doing a valve adjustment. There's the cam cover. Air valves that go on top right there. They actually recirculate fresh air into the exhaust port through this octopus right here. There's the coil assembly. Shroud. Anyhow, the inside. First I've had a look at it. Cam lobes don't look too bad. Double overhead cam. You got a 11,500 RPM rev limit. I'd imagine it'll go to 12. Got a little bit of a coolant leak that I found yesterday when you got it started for the first time. Oh yeah. This has, instead of shim under bucket, which is a pain because you got to pull the cams, this engine uses screw and jam nuts. So, I'm thinking the intake valves are probably tight. Exhaust cam lobes there. Got it running for the first time yesterday, so do a valve adjustment. Just gave it a quick bath. First time it's ever been washed in probably 6 or 7 years, or however long it was in storage. So something like that, according to the guy. I think it cleaned up pretty well for a quick job. Water cooled. Belt driven alternator, kind of a unique feature of this bike. Brand new Pirelli Dragon GT front tire. It's only got about a mile on it. Just worked on the clutch slave cylinder today. Took that all apart. Got all the old fluid out. Does run. Still cold. Needs a carb sync. A little rough. Put a new air cleaner in it the other day. Gas tank was a train wreck full of rust. Put an inline fuel filter. It's been on brief rides down the road. Still leaking coolant from right here in the radiator. We'll get it taken care of one thing at a time. I pretty much just finished up the restoration on it, although there's technically always something you could still do. New front Pirelli. New rear Pirelli. Has a Muzzy 4-into-1. I shimmed the carburetor slide needles, one shim, try and richen it up a little bit for the pipe. It's a 16 valve water cooled inline 4. Has a factory oil cooler. Has 9,614 original miles. Original chain, original sprockets. Pretty much the only deviation from stock is the pipe. Still needs the carburetor synced, but other than that, it's done. A little bit of detailing I did on it. Got a nice sunny day today. It's about 80 degrees. Hot, actually. They made this bike from 1987 through 1990. So this is the last year of production. And we're going to take it for a ride.